Hi everyone, today I'll show you this Dreame detergent that I have. I'm going to show you the packaging and also an unboxing of this detergent. So, here's information about this detergent. Right? Interesting. Right, I'm going to show you what it looks like. Open up. It looks different from the one that comes free with the robot itself. So yeah, excited to try this out and have a look at this. So this is a Dreame multi-surface floor cleaner. Yeah. So here are some instructions on what you can do with this cleaner. And yeah, it says that you can add let me give you a close-up on this so you can have a better look. Okay, so yeah, it shows the chemical composition of it, the ingredients itself, water, alcohol, and all the other stuff. Applications. Okay, so there are two methods to use this detergent. One is to put it into the detergent compartment. The other one would be to add it to the tank itself, the water tank, the clean water tank. So some instructions on precautionary measures and stuff like that. Yeah, interesting. Alright, so on the back, just show some explainers and some codes. Yeah, right. Okay, what's this? Peel? Why do you peel this? Ooh, interesting. Okay, see here there's a peel. So if I peel this, whoa, you get more information. So let me give you a close-up of this info in case you are interested in other languages. So yeah, all right, interesting. Amazing. So more instructions in another language. All right, so basically I want to show you, because there's someone who asked me about adding detergent into clean water tank. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like if you actually do such a thing. So method 1, method 2. Personally, I prefer method 1 because I can regulate may auto-regulate the amount of detergent to add. But method 2, I think in certain situations some people might want to do that. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you use such a method to approach your cleaning needs. So this is a cup. Let me see if it has actual measurements on it. Not sure. I don't see like the measurement on it. 1 cap of cleaner. Yeah, so you just say that add 1 cap of this cleaner into the clean water tank. But for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to show you how it looks like. But I'm not going to put the detergent into my tank. Because actually I asked the Dreame team, they say that actually the clean water, when you have if you use it with the detergent tank, they will just auto add the detergent with your cleaning needs, okay? So after the robot is done cleaning, the robot will actually use the clean water without detergent to actually clean the mop pads. So I value that step of the process, because I want my mop pads to be clean using clean water. and they will actually sterilize the mop pads using hot water and all that stuff. So I want to maintain the water tank to be clean water, but just for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to show you how it looks like. If you do need to add the detergent into your clean water tank, so generally the parts that I was told is that you need to use 200 parts, how to say, 1 part detergent and 200 parts water. So if you calculate 200 parts of, how to say, the one tank is 4 liters, so you divide by 200 is about 20 milliliters. So I'm going to show you the measuring method that I would use if I'm gonna do that. And you can use any measuring tool, but just make sure it's can show you the amount that you need. So this is a measuring tool that I have. So I'm gonna measure it to 20 ml. So now it's 15. Yeah, so now it's about 20 ml now. So I'm gonna add it into the detergent tank. Yeah, I like mine very filled up because personally I do not enjoy the emptying process. So like, you know, once it's filled up, then you can just close it. Yeah, there you go. This is how you actually like add the detergent into your tank directly. Myself, I'm gonna add it to my my detergent tank. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how I would do that. Alright, so this is my detergent tank, and I want to add detergent into my tank, but on the other hand, I feel that, this is my preference, so I feel that I do not want to have the full strength detergent being added to my machine. So I'm going to dilute the detergent in the tank, which is going to further dilute before actually it uses to mop my floor. So I got it filled up with water first, so this amount that I put, and this is my test run for this batch. So yes, then I'm gonna add some detergent inside, so I'll show it to you. I'm gonna unseal this. So I got the detergent open up ready. So now I'm gonna add it to the tank. Yeah, so I think that's enough. So yeah, there you go. Detergent added in, and okay. Maybe I should just give it a good swirl so that it mixes up. So I'm gonna experiment with this ratio that I have in mind. But yeah, maybe I might add it. I might add more of the detergent in the future, but this I'm gonna stick with for now. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video is helpful for you. And if you do find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining by, and see you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Jesus loves you all.